Hello everyone, welcome to the reading for today. These are the two cards that I have pulled out. One is from the Archangel's Power Tarot deck and the other one is from the Earth Magic Oracle. Let's see what the Masters and the Guides have for us for today, the 14th of April 2021, a beautiful Wednesday. So let's see first what the tarot deck has to tell us today. Strength. Yet again, it is the card of strength. Archangel Ariel shows her presence here, and it is absolutely an apt card for the day because this is the time when each one of us is looking for that strength from within and from outside. It is all about seeking that support. So know that the strength lies in you. The universe is right there supporting you. Angels and masters are with you. Archangel Ariel can be called upon if you feel lonely and if you feel down and out. She is right here saying that the strength and the grace through kindness is what is required at this point in time. So right, we are all going through our own depression or ups and downs, not really depression, but yes, we are a little angsty, we are a little anxious about things. So yes, they are telling us not to be stressed. They are right here with us, and to show your own kindness to your own self and the people around you, because that is the need of the hour right now. Your self-confidence is very much required. Cannot think that you're down and out and this is not going to change, because that's a lie. This is going to pass. This will change. Our collective conscious will ensure our own gratitude towards life and the universe will ensure that things will pass. All we seek and all we need to do is seek forgiveness. Forgiveness with our own selves, forgiveness with the universe, forgiveness with Mother Earth, forgiveness with even this virus. Let's seek forgiveness from the virus. We don't know what we have done in our past lives that has created this. So let's take the onus and know that we have that strength within us, and along with our angels and masters and guides, we will be able to bring in that change. The change will come from within us. So seek that strength within you and not outside, because as you seek your strength, you will pass that same magic to others, and with that collective consciousness we will be able to stand strong and fight every single thing that we think we need to fight with or for. Okay, so let's get their messages. Thank you, masters, for bringing this to us, and let's see what magic does the Earth Magic Oracle bring forth. This is the card of the which means breach, which means take a somersault, take a flip around, flip this situation. If you're feeling low, flip and feel strong. Bring that strength from within you. How synchronized these messages are. It is saying that just like how powerful the whale is, and the whale takes that flip and takes that turn to swim back into the waters after seeking the energy of the universe, the same way you need to seek the energy from the universe. Take that flip this situation. If you're feeling low and unhappy, find the moments to bring in happiness in your own life. Why? Because what you feel is what you will attract. Wherever your focus will go, wherever your intention will go, the energy will flow. The universe is right there, having your back. It always does, right? Our masters and guides are right here asking us to be strong, to be in synchronicity with the power of the universe, which is abundant and very, very strong. And we have all that. With the creator we can co-create. So what is it that you want to flip and change right now? Focus on that. We definitely, all of us on this planet for sure, want to flip and change this current situation of the virus. So is that possible? Very much so. Do you think we can seek forgiveness from it? Yes, we can. Do you want to? Please do, because this is the very strong message that has come across. And with that, on that note, I leave you to be the magic, shine just like this bright light, and know that you can spread that light all around you. Be the magic that you truly are, and I shall see you tomorrow. Have a lovely day.